and why sip on a pumpkin when you can scrub with one. And so today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing pumpkin spice latte foaming sugar scrub that is going to be a great addition to your fall skincare routine. So for this scrub, you are going to need a foaming scrub base, which is going to give the scrub that luscious foamy texture and gently cleanse your skin. You're going to need shea butter, which is rich in vitamins and feels amazing in a scrub. Then you'll need your exfoliants, which I'm going to be using granulated sugar and then also some coffee. And then you are going to need your pumpkin seed oil, which is packed with antioxidants and fatty acids. And then last but not least, I am going to be using a pumpkin chai fragrance oil. So let's get to it. So I have already pre-measured our ingredients, where we have our foaming base, shea butter, our mix of coffee and sugar, and our oils. Also for this, that I forgot to mention, is that you're going to need a hand mixer. So the first thing that you need to do is add your foaming base into your bowl and add our shea butter into the bowl. Now, I'm going to get my hand mixer all set up here so that we can mix. So we're going to mix, and we're going to mix until it's all like evenly incorporated throughout the base. Just scraping down the sides to make sure that I can mix it all up really good. Okay, so now that it is properly mixed, it's all mixed really good, we are now going to add in our sugar coffee mixture. We're gonna add in this. And I'm also gonna add in my oils. My oils. So this is a combination of pumpkin seed oil and my fragrance oil. And mix it. So now it's all mixed together. It's nice and creamy. It's very simple recipe. And so then you can just scoop this into your jar. It smells amazing. It's nice and creamy. It feels great. That was a quick tutorial on how to make a foaming sugar scrub, especially this one because it smells like pumpkin spice latte. It smells amazing. It's excellent for fall. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. And until next time, happy crafting.